Hello, I thought I would just give us a quick little tutorial over our Google Classroom for accounting. So you'll notice at the top we have the stream and we have the classwork. So those are the two different buttons that you're going to use. Our stream is going to basically have any announcements or anything that we kind of will leave there and refer back to. So the first thing that you're going to see in the stream, and by the way, this is a teacher view, yours might look slightly different. I don't think you have people in yours, but anyway, we're going to have our Zoom link for all of our classes. Our period is period 2, so that's from 8:40 to 9:10. So if you can log in by 8:37, so we can get started right away at 8:40, and this should launch our meeting. Scrolling down, we have our JCC Residency Form. So remember, this is a college credit class, and you can open this form up and fill this out with or without your parents. It's pretty easy to fill out. You're just going to, you will need your social security number and anything with a red star. And then down at the bottom, when you click to sign, you can use your mouse and you can type your signature or you can draw using your mouse. So that's pretty easy to do. And we have to have this done no later than September 25th. So this needs to be done right away as soon as you can. So it's right here, Residency Form. Moving right along is our course outline. So this is just a little bit about the course and how grades for JCC are calculated and turned into letter grades for that. Kind of goes over each chapter and what we're going to learn in each chapter. Zoom expectations. You can read over these on your own, and we'll talk about these probably our first day. And then I just put some various calendars in here for your reference. We have the entire school calendar, when we have days off. We have our AB calendar, and we have our remote schedule. So period by period, you can see when your classes begin and end. And then this is really important down at the bottom. This is how you're going to register for the class, and then you'll need this course key so you can copy and paste that. So all of our workbooks and all of our assignments are going to be completed online for this class. So you click the register button, and then you copy that course key, and then it takes you through step by step. So if you can do that as soon as possible as well, when it does ask for your email, use your personal email, not your school email. So that's all I have in there right now. The classwork is where all of our materials for each day will be. I'll try to separate things by week. So we have week 1. The first thing you're going to do is get into your slideshow, and you're going to create your slide. Once you open that, you'll see what you're supposed to do there. I have some other materials that we're going to go over. I'll discuss when we do our Zoom. And I have a poster assignment here that we'll also talk about. Then for each chapter in your packets that I gave you when you came into school to pick them up, you have some green chapter notes for chapters 1 through 8, I believe. So this is the same thing that's in your folder. I just thought I would put it online so you can see that. Chapter PowerPoints will be in here, so this is separated usually by section, so 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and assignments kind of flow in that way. So you can open up a PowerPoint, you can look over the different slides, the definitions, and so forth. When I do my videos, this is what I'll be referring to with the PowerPoints. Sometimes I'll add some other things in there that are important in there, and then down here is the chapter videos. So what I do is create a video tutorial for each section that we're going to be doing in class. So you can refer back to it. This takes you through the problem that you're going to do online. So here's 1-1. You can see that it's there, and they're usually pretty short. You can pause them. You can rewatch them if you're not understanding a concept and whatever. Obviously, the beginning chapters in this book will be very easy, and then they get a little bit more difficult as we go. So having these videos to refer back to is very helpful for you. So that's it for the accounting tutorial for Google Classroom. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, I think right here, upcoming work, if there's work that's due that I posted in here to turn in, it'll show up here on the dues and so forth. Most of the stuff, like I said, will be done online though, so you'll be doing things separately from turning into Google Classroom. At the beginning, there'll be a couple things to turn in, but after that, it'll be all online. All right, thanks for watching.